Hello guys, welcome back to another video. We are here with a video today from my father's. So, we celebrated my father's and his sister's birthday today. And I got dressed up. Because my father has a twin sister. I got dressed up. My father bought me a nice pair of pants, obviously. And a nice pair of shoes. There's something else. A nice shirt that I put over here. So yeah. I'm gonna make a video tonight for you all to enjoy Sunday. And then Sunday I'm gonna make a video for you guys to enjoy Monday. So you guys have some content tomorrow. So yeah, we're going to be working on some of the truck tonight. I'm not gonna have YouTube in the background. We're gonna be working on the truck, and yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing tonight. I have no idea where my mount is. I have my flashlight on so you guys can actually see. We're gonna do this because this is actually better so you guys can see a lot more what's going on. So this truck, I've upgraded it from a cool ass bumper to a badass bumper so I can hook up and tow. Now I have stuff in the back of this truck to upgrade, like to finish upgrading this truck. But as you guys can tell, this truck is gonna be going to a parking lot for a while, and we're gonna bring the Bronco down, the new Bronco, and we're gonna do some upgrades to the Bronco for now, because I need to build some parts for the old Toto rig, repo truck. Then CP Steve Miller's truck, I'm waiting until he gets a different truck to actually start working back on this thing again, but it's lost some suspension in the rear. I'm finding out that this truck here is not gonna be working out very well for me anymore. So this truck may be slowly rubbing parts off this to finish this, and then this and this will be combined. I'm not sure, but I am gonna get that Ford going again. That build going again, because I'm gonna be stealing the suspension from this truck, from CP Steve Miller's truck, because it will fit on a 2014 F450. This is like custom for an F450 build. I think it will fit that, because it's got the cool suspension and shit, and I really like it. And the bed, I believe, will fit on there as well. I'm not 1,000% sure on that, but we are going to use it for storage. For now, we're just gonna park this thing over there and that thing over there. I moved that bag, and yeah, I've reorganized a lot of shit. Oof, that fell out. But yeah, that's this is more like an update video on the Legos. Now, the old repo truck is going to get a massive haul over. Just because I left it sitting for a while and I broke it a bit. And another thing is I want to switch it back over to a single wheel truck and move and like get another Lego set of this truck at some point. Hopefully get another Lego truck, well, half-ton thing, this thing again, and build it, like keep it stock, but take two of them and make it another 4-door truck. This is not a tow truck or a pickup like a truck I would want, because it has a long bed. I want to keep the length of the bed, but I want 4-door mega cab shit going on here, but it's Ford. I'm not sure, but yeah, this is it's sitting on the exhaust, so I'll delete that. Still on the exhaust. Man, I'll take that exhaust man completely, and if she can squat, so this she can squatty yachty or a non-squatty yachty. I just gotta do some quick stuff here. But yeah, I'm gonna get the camera flipped so you guys can see. So I'm gonna stop the recording and start back up. I started back up on the recording, but I don't have a flashlight on this side for some reason. Yes, I look weird. I forgot where I put my hat again. But we are going to get the LED lighting, some more lighting over here on, and I will put my hat back on for you guys real quick. I wish I was sponsored by Snap-on, but I'm not. But yeah, I'm gonna edit these 2 clips together that I'm making right now, and stuff. But I'm gonna make a 4-minute or 5 or 6-minute clip here of just really talking and mainly with the Ford here in the background or in the foreground. Yeah. So the plan with this tow rig really, it's really meant for repoing and stuff like that. How I got the repo idea is I've watched repo in the past and now multiple times, and I like the fact that I like dualies and stuff like that, but I mainly like Dodges and stuff. Dodges and Fords and Dodges, love them. I like the 12 valve. You guys don't want to know much on the 12 valve, but the whole entire thing about CP Steve Miller's truck, I've watched his channel for over a year and a half now, and I liked his 2500 dually swapped rig, but when he decided to stop. Really, well, he's still doing Hot Shot, I think, but he's gonna upgrade his truck. He sold his truck. He's parting it out and stuff. Not, but so for now, what I'm gonna do is part this thing out, this truck here out, and rob some things off this truck, like this truck or the Dirty Max or the Power Stroke. Well, not this Power Stroke, but another Power Stroke that I have, or the Bronco. The old Bronco I have here that we haven't done many videos on this thing, or I haven't shown you the lift kit I have on this, but yeah. I'm gonna take the lift kit off during this video, so I can tell you what the future plan is for this, because this thing is a lot different. This Bronco's a lot different than a truck. So I can't put the suspension that's on this truck on the Bronco, but I probably can with this truck, and the size difference from this truck to this truck is very different. This truck's bigger, this truck is single wheel, a little bit less of a work truck. This is the Dodge is more of a work truck than the Ford is. The Ford's got the same stuff as the Dodge. Like, I have a fifth wheel for the Ford. Tailgate removable. Toolbox cap removable. Toolbox cap on this truck removable. It's the fuel tank, but removable. Tailgate flips down. Fifth wheel comes out, goes right back in. Like, it's that. But I don't know what I'm gonna do with the Dodge. I want to keep it, but if I want to keep it, I need to buy other Lego kits and stuff, like truck Lego kits that have the same tires, like stuff like that, and build another one that's the exact same as CPC Miller's truck, his new truck that he's gonna build out. But I don't know when that is going to be and how long it's gonna be. I'm looking at the screen. I'm sorry, I'm not looking at the camera, people. I'm watching my movements and watching where everything is. Now, I can have all three Fords in here because we're not dealing with CPC Miller's truck, really. We're dealing with the Fords, and actually I have this truck back in here because I like the Dodge. I have more Fords than the Dodge. I only have one Dodge, but like Lego truck. So I need more than one Lego, like the Ford. Like I have like the Bronco. I have this and that, and then I have the GT 500, which, let me see if I can grab it for you guys real quick. Maybe where that went. Then I have this thing that's the GT. This thing that's got movable parts, but this thing is gonna get maybe some engine upgrades or something along those lines. Like, you have to remember, I like to upgrade things. I like to customize things. I like to build custom police trucks with removable caps and working tailgates and working toolbox and a cab that's weird and like so on and so on, and then a crane that's never gonna work, and then a truck that may be taken apart and I may rob all the parts off of it and make this into a trailer. Like, thousands and thousands of things could possibly happen and nothing could be done. And what I'm really telling you guys is the goal here is to really see what the future holds for the Steve Miller truck. Yeah, like, I have no clue if I should take the wheels off and put them on the Bronco. Like, I've thought of doing that, or put them on the put them on the Ford, or put them on the tow truck, or put them on another dually, or put them on the police truck, or on a trailer, or on this Dodge. Like, it's one of those Dodge things that's a truck, but not a truck, and I'm not done on this thing yet. It's still got a long time to go. This is just a rough idea, but I'm looking at pictures and stuff, and I'm building it, and I can't really do everything I possibly can on a Dodge. And it's got the newer front end, but an older back end. Like, it is what it is, and I've probably been talking long enough, but not long enough for me, long enough for you guys, but hey. I don't want to end this video at all. I want to keep explaining why stuff like Lego is once every 2 weeks, but now it's not. I have other Legos at home, at my other home, like my mom's. I'll explain when I'm 18 what's going on with my mother and my father and why I've stepped that. I will explain, or you guys can already get the gist. And I need a background, like a curtain thing that I can put from one wall to another wall, and then like it goes on that side, and then it's green. I can just slide it across, or it's white or something, so you can't see anything behind me. You can only see the curtain. It looks badass. But I want to show you guys the suspension and the way it works now. So what I did was I took an axle and then I created this type of axle thing, and as I press down, it'll squat, and it will go like so and stuff. But I'm gonna take it, like, obviously I'm gonna like take the body off and the bed off for you folks to show you guys that I built this vehicle to be able to have a frame type deal and to come apart in sections, 1,000 different sections if I were to take it apart. got 5 seats, obviously, and it's got folding mirrors, like, it's got a bumper that I made that can go off easy. It doesn't really look like a Dodge when you take off the bumper. More looks like a beat-up truck that you just throw pieces on. But I'm gonna put a newer front end on it, probably, and hopefully. I gotta de-stretch the front, make it a little bit smaller. I got a bed that I don't do anything. I'm not gonna do anything with until I know. I just want to get the suspension off of it. And maybe the bed might actually work. We're gonna see here in a minute. Because we're doing this right now. And then this just come apart like so. And that will go on like. This frame is weird. Need to take the exhaust off here. What else is not? Oh yeah. Yeah, we're just gonna take the freaking. Now. Makes the truck shorter. So, there you go. A Dodge bed on a Ford. Doesn't really work. So, but we're scrapping that idea. But I'm still leaving the Ford apart for now. Because I'm gonna put back together. I think that and this and like so. It's gonna be like a 40 to 45 minute video. So the intro was pretty long. I can't remember how long I did the intro. Shit, yeah, that roof's gonna come off because I'm gonna break it, which I just did. Can't trust me with anything. Yeah, this bed's a lot shorter, and I knew I made this bed shorter. I know how much by. Actually, I knew this truck was gonna be longer because the cab needs to have that little gap. Yeah, that's a way too small of a frame for this truck. But I'm gonna put like this suspension frame somewhere else and use it on another build. And I'm gonna put the Ford right back together right now. But yeah, I may just well, keep this build destroyed for now. Not destroyed, but the suspension away from the other part of it, because I don't know if CP Steam Motor's gonna keep the bare bone truck. He still has like the truck, but it's taken apart. It looks different. No, the beds are the. Actually, this bed is longer than this bed, but I got that on the back. I don't know. But I might put that on this truck and this on that truck. Actually, what the fuck? Screw it. We're gonna put a fourth. Oh yeah, the train horns. Put a train horn set on this truck, but I don't need it on this bed anymore. This bed is going on the old Dodgy Poo. I need the other frame. I call this the frame because it's got the axles shit on it. So. Yeah, making an. You gotta move this up. No, that's weird. It's supposed to be back on more, but it's oh well. That's how the truck's gonna look. Maybe single wheeled. Yeah, then put it together. I'm gonna put the bed somewhere. I'm gonna put the cabs and other half frame. Put the frame somewhere else for the time being until I know what's going on with Steve Miller's truck situation. And yeah, I think I know what I mean. It's a lot weird because this is all incorrect back here. Oh yeah, it can come apart in 5 pieces. Bet you guys didn't know that. Yeah, a shark. When I built the Dodge, I built it not slowly. I built it quickly because I needed it. Like I needed it because I didn't have a good truck to use to tow a huge trailer, and I wanted to test things out. I took 2 different weekends to build it. It took 4 weekends to actually do 2 weekends to do testing and fixing, and like I built it in a weekend. Then it took a weekend to do the testing. Like I did tests, and then I fixed it, tested, fixed, and it was perfect. Now it's imperfect, but putting it together. Just gonna put it together. So this, and then this, and then like so, and then yeah. I don't know. I like the overhang stuff, so I built it kind of my way. But, yeah, I'm gonna show you guys, where I'm putting all this shit. Truck's there, frame's there, that stuff, beds will go there. But, this, I'm gonna just put them by my Xbox, so I have more space, and frames over there too with the beds. Yeah, but let's go wrap it up for now. I may film a little bit more for a different video. Well, I'm gonna edit for this video. I'm gonna edit this video together. Then I'm going to hopefully have it. Hopefully YouTube will have it up by tomorrow. And stuff. And then tomorrow I'm gonna film maybe a video. I'll see about that. Maybe I'll have this out to you guys Friday. No, not Friday. Monday. I got all this stuff here too, and bikes, that stuff, and that truck thing in the back. Round, but yeah, I don't know. All these vehicles are slowly gonna be built into rigs. I'm gonna have more rigs, more vehicles, more stuff by the end of probably next year. I'm gonna have a job next summer, hopefully, and hopefully I build more vehicles, more stuff, and get more Lego content out to you guys, because I think Lego content I like to do, and I don't think you guys mind it. But we're gonna do more talking. I don't care if you give a crap if this is over an hour long. You guys need a video, so we're gonna do I'm gonna do a real quick teardown. No time lapse, no nothing. We're gonna do a quick teardown. Bronco's no axle and tireless for now, but that's all I was gonna do. Now, take the spare tires out. Fix all that. That's how it's supposed to be. Then I think the front bumper comes off like so. Put all the parts in like a little spot here, so you don't lose them. But that's that, and then the suspension comes off like so. And I'm gonna leave those there. These come down. And then here's the suspension. Diff. This comes off on the side. And we're done with the suspension teardown. So we're changing this from this to a different type of suspension, and we're gonna do a really cool type of we're gonna do cool suspension, and we're gonna make it a little bit bendable. Well, bendable, obviously. Yeah. I feel like I'm gonna take a piece. We're gonna take a piece like this. It's bending. Then we're gonna take a 6 wide piece. 3 wide, like, not like one of those 2x6s, and we're going to take the 3 wide piece. We're going to slap it here, right here in the center. We're going to slap on, and then keep on slapping the suspension on until it's built up to a good point in the suspension. But that, like, is gonna be coming because I'm gonna do another video tomorrow on suspension on this thing if it's a rainy day. Now, if tomorrow's not a rainy day, we're gonna be filming outside, and we're gonna be doing outside filming on bicycles. And we're gonna do sort of like a thing on bicycles. But I'm gonna edit a video, see if I can get it to do a thing, and then post it to YouTube, and we're gonna make another one. So, see you guys tomorrow. Maybe 2 different videos.